Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cloud TV. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest technology videos. In this video, I am going to share the platform which I am building for data enthusiast who is looking for a career in data analyst, data engineer and data scientist. Let me show the platform and the website. So this is my website. We are building the data analytics platform. Okay, so three things we are doing now. One is the building the data analytics platform. Okay, so you can go and do a lot of hands-on here using different technologies and different programming languages like Python and Spark. Okay, we also do some sort of proof of concepts on different technologies, and as you know, I'm doing a lot of technology videos in YouTube channel. Okay, so if you want to access the data analytics platform, please visit our website and come to the contact us page and provide the details. Okay, give your name and the email ID and your request for the data analytics platform, so that I will create a login details for the data analytics platform and share with you. Okay, you can also follow me on the different social media networks where we are actually active in that, and we are also putting a lot of contents on the technologies. Okay, you can always reach me to indiacloudtv at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so when you send the request, we'll share you the user ID password for the data analytics platform. So data analytics platform will look like this. So when you click on it, this is the platform we are building. This platform is actually backed by Zeppelin notebook. Okay, so once you get the user ID password, you can go and log in. I'm actually logging with the demo user, CTV user. I will enter the password. So once you log in here, you can create your notebook using different technologies. There are multiple interface the interpreters supporting basically different technologies or the language it supports to do a lot of hands-on here. Okay, so I'll show you two sample notebook which I'm created. Go to quick start. Let me start with the Spark. So basically I written a simple Spark program which does actually converts a number array into RDD, number RDD. Then it actually multiplies each element in the RDD with 2 and just it collects. Basically to iterate element in the RDD, so we need to use the transformation. As I said earlier, transformation is a operation which you apply on the RDD. It's a lazy execution. It will not execute until you apply any action on top of it. So that's why I'm doing the action. One of the sample action is the collect. So when you do this action on the RDD, you just execute the previous transformation or transformation and give it the result. So basically this is my input where I have numbers 1 to 10. So I'm then multiplying by 2. So the output I will get the array of 2, 4, 6 and like that. So this is a simple Spark program. So you can do a lot of steps here. You can also do visualization using different Python libraries. So I'll show you a simple Python program. So the one of the important things here, so whenever you want to use a different interpreter, so interpreter is nothing but the programming language or the technology you want to use. So here Spark I am using. When I say Spark, percentage Spark, it's a Scala language based Spark. So if you want to use PySpark, you just put percentage PySpark. That's it. You can do the PySpark coding and you can execute it. So you can just put the code and you can start executing. Sometime it is taking a lot of time because it's a less compute backed platform. It is taking some time. Let me pause it for some time. So I think it is done. Okay, so this is how you need to execute. Let me show you another notebook. So it's a simple Python, just have a print statement. So because I'm using a Python language, I want to use a Python interpreter, so I'm saying %Python. I'm just putting the print statement alone. Welcome to the data analytics platform, and I'll do execute here. So there are different language or technology it supports. So if we go to the default interpreters which is property, so it supports AngularJS, it supports shell script, it supports PostgreSQL, Flink, Python. It also supports Cassandra queries. You can do normal JDBC query on any database. It also supports Pig, okay, and Elasticsearch and DataBase, BigQuery. There are many different language and technology it supports. Okay, make use of this. This is a free platform. You can make use of this. Please subscribe to my channel to get latest videos, and also send your request to access the data analytics platform. Thank you very much, friends.